Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set cruise control on your Cadillac Escalade. First, familiarize yourself with the cruise control buttons, typically found on the left side of your steering wheel. These controls allow you to manage your vehicle's speed effortlessly on highways. Remember, cruise control is designed for consistent speeds, usually above 25 miles per hour, making long drives much more comfortable and efficient for you. To activate the system, simply press the on/off button on your steering wheel. You'll see an indicator light on your dashboard confirming it's ready. Next, accelerate your Escalade to the speed you wish to maintain. Once at your desired speed, press the set button. Your vehicle will now hold that speed, allowing you to relax your foot from the accelerator pedal. You can easily adjust your set speed using the plus and minus buttons. Each press typically increases or decreases your speed by 1 mile per hour. If you temporarily disengage cruise control, perhaps to pass another vehicle, you can press the resume button to return to your last set speed. This feature is incredibly convenient for maintaining your pace. There are several ways to cancel cruise control. You can press the dedicated cancel button on your steering wheel for a temporary pause. Alternatively, a light tap on the brake pedal will also disengage the system immediately. To completely turn off cruise control, simply press the on/off button again. This ensures you have full control whenever needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.